Hey, welcome to Prime Force Studios. We're going to do another unboxing tonight of WWE Elites. We have a whole bunch of them actually to open tonight. We're going to open up Survivor Series Samoa Joe first. This is him. I'm new collecting Elites. I collected AEW Unrivaled first, and now I'm collecting Elites too because I want to do like a figure photography crossover between both brands. Alright, let's open up just Samoa Joe now, and then we're going to display him on the spin. So Samoa Joe comes with the SmackDown Live t-shirt, 2 extra hands, and the towel on his neck. The towel on his neck is actually a hard plastic. I thought it was softer, but it's actually kind of cool the way it looks. He looks pretty great. Joe is going to kill you. Alright, up next we have Shinsuke Nakamura with the new Intercontinental Championship, sorry. Reason why I wanted this figure was for that, and I wanted a Nakamura for my collection. We actually have everybody from the Series 81 except Starling Steve Austin. So we're going to open them at some point. Let's open them. Let's open them up and take a look. Alright, Shinsuke comes with 2 extra hands and the Intercontinental Championship. First time into this title has been in the line. It's a new looking title. Here we have the King of Strong Style. The King of Strong Style, that is. Alright, let's take a better look at him on the spin. Alright, next we have one of Amanda's favorite superstars for WWE, Kevin Owens, with a ladder and a briefcase and 2 extra hands. Let's open them up and check them out. See, this actually works. I put the extra hands in the briefcase and I put him on the ladder. Let's see if the spin around makes him stay on the ladder. Let's find out. This should be fun to figure out if it stays or not. If it stays. I pressed the button and it didn't even last. He fell over. Samoa Joe and Nakamura aren't really laughing. Second attempt. We leaned him over a little more, so now he stays. That's pretty fucking cool. And he's gone. This is something we all want to see. Hopefully sometime Samoa Joe comes back to wrestling. Well, off commentary. Alright, up next we have the NXT champion, currently NXT champion. But he doesn't have the championship with him, but I'm going to put it on him once I get it. My Adam Cole should be here by Monday. We're going to put it on him once I open Adam Cole. But here is Finn Balor, Elite Series 82. Let's open him up and check him out. So I really love the face scan on heel Finn Balor. I like his tattoo extra hands as well. But we're keeping with the fingers shooting hands, so it's you can put them next to Omega, so you can do a little crossover action. Alright. Here we got Finn Balor. His finger is bent. Weird. Oh, can I fix that? Oh. He's gonna do something. That's cool. I forget what he says about being over, how he's over. Let's take his shirt off. shirt off. I like the soft cut tees, though the soft t-shirt. Better than the hard t-shirts you get with a couple other elites. But here he is. Alright, let's check him out on the spin. I also like the detail on his boots. Didn't realize there's blue lines on his boots. And his tattoos are detailed with the dinosaur and whatever that says. And a hand tattoo. And the hand tattoos on his hands are here also as well. Yeah, pretty cool elite. Alright, we have 2 more elites for this video. We have Keith Lee with Bask in His Glory. Check out his figure. Alright, we have Keith Lee. Open the package. Alright, the vest they force him to wear, which we're not going to force him to wear. I hate that they force him to wear it on Raw now. He looks better without it. Got the hands out of the box. Alright, let's bask in his glory. Alright, let's check it out with the vest on him. This isn't what he wears in the ring now, but it's better. Not a big fan of the vest because it doesn't go like, these things don't bind together very easily. So this might not stay on the shelf this way. That really sucks. This is why we should have soft, good outfits instead of the rubber. Alright, we might pose him backwards. Bask in his glory. But the front won't stay on with me. It's giving me a little hard time here. Right, let's check him out anyway on the spin. To come. This last elite is probably my favorite wrestler of all time. One of my favorites. It is Radar Superstar and the Royal Rumble winner 2021, Edge. Let's open him up and check him out. Alright, I still want to get the Elite Edge. I mean the Ultimate Edge at some point, but this Edge's face sculpt is really nice. Let's take out his hands. The t-shirt, I actually have this t-shirt in my t-shirt collection. So maybe might put it on him. I hope he wrestles Roman Reigns at WrestleMania this year. And not Randy Orton, but alright, here's the ultimate opportunity for himself. The Radar Superstar Edge. Oh, his knee. I don't like his knee. One of his knees, the R is messed up looking on it. So we're going to have to get the Ultimate anyway at some point, because that's not the greatest looking Elite so far for me. It's my first one that has a messed up. I wonder if anybody else has mess ups on them. Can you let me know in the comments? But his tattoos look great. I like the hands like this. That's classic Edge. Everything's great on him, other than the one knee. Didn't notice that in the box when I bought it. Damn. All right, let's check him out. This is what I mean by the one knee pad. The R is kind of scraped up looking. Other than that, he's pretty cool looking. Here's all the elites in this unboxing tonight. And episode 1 of Elite Unboxing. Alright, there's more to come, a lot more to come on wrestling figures to open. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.